read with me, come learn with me, come play with Miss V. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, that lamb was sure to go. He followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. He followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see the lamb at school. So the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but it still lingered near. Why does the lamb love Mary, love Mary, love Mary? Why does the lamb love Mary? The eager children cried. Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, that lamb was sure to go. Hi friends! Hola amigos! I'm Miss V. Soy la señora V. Where am I? ¿Dónde estoy? Am I in the kitchen? ¿En la cocina? No. Am I at a store? ¿En la tienda? No, 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 no. I'm on the farm. En la granja. Woohoo! Let's describe it. The farm has a barn. El granero. Well, what's a barn? A barn is a big house for all the animals, like sheep, ovejas, pigs, cerdos, cows, vacas, horses, caballos, chickens, gallinas, goats, cabras, and geese, y gansos, and all other animals, y todos los demás animales. It even has a silo, un silo. What is a silo? A silo is a house full of materials and food for the farm. I see lots of trees, there's grass and mud and lots of animals. Let's listen closely so we can hear the animals on the farm. Oh, this one is super cute. Oink, 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 oink. What animal makes that sound? A pig! Un cerdo! Where is the pig? The pig is laying in the mud. Está acostado en el lodo. Ew! In the mud? Oh no! Can you oink like a pig? Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Or you can actually snort like a pig. How fun! ¡Qué divertido! Let's listen closely for another animal. Oh, one of my favorites. Yes, a horse. Un caballo. Can you neigh like a horse? Neigh, neigh, neigh. Where is the horse? The horse is behind the tree. Behind the tree. Detrás del árbol. Ooh, do you hear that sound? A moo sound? What animal is it? A cow. Una vaca. Can you moo like a cow? Moo. Close your lips. Moo. One more time. Moo. Where is the cow? The cow is standing in front of the barn. Enfrente del granero. Alright! Woohoo! Oh, here, bah! Bah! What animal makes that sound? A lamb. Oh, how adorable! It says ba, ba. Come on, say it with me. Ba. Wait, where is the lamb? The lamb is on the side of the silo. Hi, lamb. There's so many things we can do on a farm. We can tend to the animals, bottle feed the animals. We can brush their coats or their fur. We can weed the garden, pick up sticks, clean the area all around where the animals live. Oh, I can't wait to keep learning. Till next time. Bye, friends.